In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic update of links in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever opened a workbook and watched Excel reach out to other files or online sources to refresh values, that's the automatic link update in action. It can be useful, but it can also slow you down, trigger prompts you don't want, or overwrite snapshots of data you'd rather keep stable. Let's turn that behavior off so you stay in control. Start by opening the Excel app on your computer. You can use any workbook here, even a blank one, because we're changing a program setting, not something inside a specific file. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner and then select Options. This opens the Excel options window where all the app level settings live. If you don't see options, make sure you're in the desktop version of Excel. The web version doesn't expose this particular setting. In the Excel options window, choose the Advanced category from the left-hand panel. Advanced can look a bit long, so don't worry if you see a lot of items. That's normal. Scroll down until you reach the General section. It's near the lower part of the Advanced list. You're looking for a checkbox labeled Update Links to Other Documents. Depending on your version of Excel, the wording may be slightly different. Some builds say, ask to update automatic links, but the intent is the same. It controls whether Excel automatically refreshes external links when you open or work with a file. Uncheck the box for update links to other documents. By turning this off, you stop Excel from automatically pulling in values from other workbooks or sources when a file opens, helping you avoid surprise changes and speed hits. Finally, click OK to save your changes and close the Excel options window. That's it. Your preference is now applied. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever want to refresh links manually, go to the Data tab and use Edit Links to update values on your terms. And if you still see a prompt in certain files, that can be due to file-specific settings or security policies. Your change here controls Excel's default behavior, and you can always return to the same checkbox to re-enable automatic updates later if a project requires it. You now know how to disable the automatic update of links in Excel. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, more predictable workbook experience.